Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching. As promised to some of you guys that I will be teaching you Hmong, free Hmong lesson. Thank you so much in advance for learning Hmong and keeping our language. First of all, let's start with one consonant. So we have a total of 17. I'm going to say this in the Hmong word, and then I'm going to say the Roman alphabet. So first is jaw, 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 c, da, da, day, d, fa, fa, fu, f, f, ha, ha, how, h, ga, ga, gay, k, la, loa, l, ma, m, na, nung, n, ba, bua, p, ga, ga, q, zha, zhao, r, sha, shua, s, da, ding, t, va, voki, v, saw, or su, x, yaw, yi, y, ra, zhe, z. So let's go through all these words and the meaning. Jua, it's the number 9. Da day means water. Fa fu means bottle. Ha how means drinking water. Ga gay means road. Loa rabbit. Ma means rice. Nung means bird. Bua means bat. Ga means frog. Dao means hammer. Shua means farm. Ding means light. Voki, that means turtle. Saw means yarn, or the Green Hmong word su means yarn. Yi means the number 8. Zhe means rock. Thank you so much for learning this lesson with me.